Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine children. Okay, so it's time to do one special activity relating to Independence Day. As we all know, we are going to celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. So we will do here a special activity. So what we will make children, let's see. We will make this card, this type of card for our Independence Day. So which material you required for this activity? So I am going to show you, just see. One this rectangle piece of saffron color paper, one this rectangle piece of white paper, and two small, one green and one saffron, half size of this big paper, one green color strip and one small circle to make the Ashok Chakra. Okay, all these things we will be required, and a white watercolor and two birds. Okay, so just arrange all the material, and now I will tell you that how we will do this activity. As I told you children that we are going to make a card. So first, just after this, over this saffron color paper, we will stick this white color paper. So we will just apply the glue at the corner of these sides, okay, 4 sides, and we will just paste it like this. We will just leave few parts of saffron here. So just apply glue. See, I have applied glue. Now I will just turn it and paste it on the saffron color paper like this. Okay, see, I have left some space of saffron color. Now what we will do, we will take this saffron color part and we will paste at the top. Remember what we have to do, we have to paste only this much part. यहाँ तक आप हम फेविकोल apply करेंगे, and we will paste फेविकोल at the top part also. See children, this much to this much part only we will just apply glue, and now we will stick it like this properly from top to bottom. Okay, just leave this space like this. See, I have leave this lower part. Okay, now what I will do, I will just fold this, make a fold and just apply glue over here and stick this saffron color part at the top. We will make a cone shape, softy shape. Okay, see, this is done. I have applied glue here. Now similarly what we will do with the lower part of with green color. Okay, we will just half paste it and make a fold from top to bottom. See, I have applied glue and this much I have pasted and left from here. Okay, now we will just fold this paper and make a conical shape of with green color paper, apply glue at this side, okay, and then paste it properly. See, this is rolled and I have just pasted. Now here we will paste the green strip so that it looks like a triangle, saffron, white and green. Okay, it is pasted. Now what we will paste, we will just paste this wheel Ashok Chakra in between. Okay, apply glue and just paste it down. I have applied glue and now I am going to paste this wheel in between like this. A beautiful Independence Day card we have just made. Now what we will write here with pen or pencil, you can use blue color marker also, Happy Independence Day. Now in last we will do just bird printing. We will just dip this in white watercolor and we will just make a small dots like this. Okay, in entire surface we will just make the small white color dots with bird printing. It's very easy children. Now here also 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now at the lower part also children we will just do the same thing. 1 2 3. So like this you will count and just make the dots. Now on this green color cone, 1 2, like this, count and just make rounds bird impressions on this green color cone. Okay, so it is done. Now we will write over here Happy Independence Day with marker. Start writing. HAPPY, happy. Independence Day. You will just see the spelling from video and just write it down. So this is all for the activity. This you can just give to your anyone elder at your home on Independence Day, or you can just stick it out in your scrapbook. Okay, as you wish, you can just do it. So do the activity very neatly and use only these 3 colors: saffron, white and green, not any other color. Thank you so much, children. Happy Independence Day.